Yan, tama siya.
Hey, you have notes. Can I borrow your notes?
Bardo.
Borrow.
My notes. Sure.
Nag-test kami before and then I got a 10 over 10.
Wow.
Grabe!
I'm so proud of you. Ano meaning ito? Ano ito mga ganyan?
Mga interval.
Interval. Ito kasi yung fifth, fourth, and third, and
Intervals,
second.
Step motion, skip motion. For the song, like a do-re. Do-re is like, no, this is 2 second interval, and do-re-mi. And that's a third interval, and do-re-mi-fa. That's a fourth interval.
First, do, re, ganyan, first interval.
No, ganito lang yan.
Parang
Pag masikip siya, it's a second interval.
What?
Masikip.
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 That sound. That's masikip. Second interval. A third interval is still masikip but a little lighter. So, ding, do, re,
Alright.
No.
Media performance room.
Oh! So ako, hindi na po ako, sir.
Make a change, just relax.
Class A.
Take it easy.
Hey, take it easy.
Punta na lang din ako
Saan?
sa
It's not
media
What
performance.
now?
Wish kasi ang ano ko dun.
Baba!
Aba! Sila pala. Sorry. Kayo pala.
Pahingi naman ng soothing. Soothing.
Group B pala.
Olizel.
Grabe.
Ba yan? Grabe. Grabe, brother. Bisa mo na. Grabe.
Hansen. The Venus flytrap. Stay there.
Shut up, bat.
Venus flytrap. Venomous. Venomousen.
Kirang-kira. It's like, gusto niya nang hawakan, pinigilan niya lang.
Kasi kanina ginugulo niyo buhok ko. Ngayon, siya na yung hindi naka... Ito okay naman yung buhok niyo.
As in, every salamin.
Yeah. Tapos, 3 beses nagpalit ng
shirt. Kanina, iba din yung... Ano? Pero hindi, ganyan din ako.
Ay, hirap dito. Ano?
Terno
Tapos kinuha yung shirt ko. Sago talaga.
Ako din minsan ganun,
Maybe I'm just like your mother.
Maybe I'm just like your... Maybe you're just... Maybe you're just like my mother.
Haba.
Tatlo kasing mother.
Maybe you're just like
Tama si Apple, 7 yun. Kung 7, 7 yung kulot.
Ako yun kaya.
Bakit di magawa?
Maybe I'm just like your mother.
Maybe you're Apple. Maybe you're just like my mother. Parang bugo yung ulo.
Whatever. July 31 ngayon. July 30, 31. 2008.